Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have what you need, a Blogger site and the RSS feed URL. First, verify the feed link works by opening it in a browser. You should see XML. Next, sign into Blogger and go straight to Settings, then to the section Handling Posts and Sharing. Once there, prepare to add or replace the existing feed URL. Make sure you copy the exact feed address, an extra slash or missing. XML will break the connection, so double-check before moving on. Now integrate the feed into your layout. From Layout, choose Add a Gadget and pick Feed. Paste the feed URL into the gadget field and click Continue to let Blogger fetch items. Once items appear, adjust display options, set how many posts to show, toggle title links, and choose full content versus snippets. You control whether images and timestamps display. After customizing, save the gadget and drag it to the desired column. Preview the theme to confirm the feed looks right. Finish by publishing your layout changes and checking the live blog. You should see recent feed items appear. If posts don't show, validate the feed XML for well-formedness and ensure the URL isn't redirecting to a blocked domain. Once done, clear your browser cache and Blogger's cache by republishing the theme to force refresh. If problems persist, remove and re-add the feed gadget. Remember, most issues stem from malformed XML, incorrect URL, or caching. Fix those first and recheck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.